Guys, welcome back to another Roughtown Raptors. Slightly different one today. A little bit of a tutorial for you. I've had people messaging asking me, is there any tutorials on this channel? How to remove door trims, cards, stuff like that. So I thought I'll be kind, and every now and again I'll drop in a little tutorial for you. So today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a door card on a Volkswagen Crafter. Same as a Mercedes Sprinter, and I think the Mando version of it, I think. So, without further ado, first thing you have to do is remove these two clips here, and then if you look down here, get these things off. They always turn one way, so that comes off like that. Then there's got one in there and one in there, if you can see it. I'll get my torch and show you. So we've got one in there and another one in there, and they are a T25 star drive bit, if I'm not mistaken. So we'll get these two top on and then them two, and then I'll show you the rest. So the easiest way, these are a bit of a pain to get off, so I've got a little hook tool, and then we just slide it in, and then that should just spring out like that. Try not to lose it. And then same on this side. You push it in, give it a yank. But then we get so much star drive piece. And like I say, that one I think is T25, if I'm not mistaken. So I'll just take these four out for you. There we go, so that's the four screws from the four corners. Pop them in the top there so we don't lose them. Next, you get a little flathead or a trim fork if you've got one. I've got a trim fork, but sometimes a flathead is a little bit better. And we pop that piece off. You can be slightly tough with these things, they are quite tough plastic, so. And then in there, you will see two, I think, T40. So there's one in there. And this is basically all the clips. See, if you know, it's quite easy. There's a little hook to pull it out. So yeah, that's like a nice little T40 piece. So we've got those two. And then, what we do, so they have two little hook things that sit the door card on. So what we have to do is prise it from the top so it comes that way. If you try pulling it that way, you can end up breaking the pieces at the bottom. I'll show you now. So you can see all the clips have come out apart from one. You always get one that stays in, and if you see, it's got the two little plastic hook things on. Now what we need to do is take the door catch mechanism off. So you can see that just pops out like there, and then if you look there, there's a little clip. If you swing that back, that pops out like that. And then remove the electric window switch mechanism, and that just lifts off. If you see what I mean, about the hooks, they kind of hook over. And that is how you remove a door card from a Volkswagen Crafter / Sprinter. Hope it was helpful for you, give you a bit of knowledge. So every now and again, like I say, I'll drop in a little tutorial for you. So thanks for watching. See you later. Stay safe, stay entertained. Adios.